Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 2.4 and let me share with you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do that, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right under it we've got Reset Options. At the very first position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it, and here your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, just tap on Reset Settings. We have to confirm it with our screen lock, and here your device again is asking about if you'd like to reset all network settings, because you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on Reset Settings and just wait a little. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Nokia 2.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.